Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your close friends list on Instagram using your PC with the latest web update. If you've been using Instagram on your phone, you probably already know about the close friends feature. But recently, Instagram has made some updates to the web version, and now you can manage this feature directly from your computer. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open up additional options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different aspects of your profile. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled Close Friends and click on it. This is where you can view and manage your close friends list. You'll now see your current close friends, and you can easily add or remove people from this list. Just search for a username and click to include them, or remove someone if needed. This feature is especially useful if you want to share private stories with a selected group instead of all your followers. And that's it. You've successfully found and accessed your close friends list on Instagram web using your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials on the channel for the latest Instagram tips and updates.